What's up, guys? It's Stephen Freeborn. Today is number 6 of week 1 on the new training program. Have you guys been enjoying these videos? Because I don't know. I don't know. If you're watching them, if anyone's watching them, leave me some comments. I've made so much content for the internet. It's unreal, and so little of it has ever been seen, which I guess speaks to the fact that I really care very little about who sees it, at least right now. It's most of what I make is really for me, I guess. Even these videos that I'm making right now about my training program, they're really for me. They're for accountability and discipline and documentation and like a living training journal in a way. And I find that they may add value for others because sometimes my best thoughts about exercise and diet come from my own practice. And sometimes those best thoughts come at the very moment. It's sometimes hard to capture that after the fact. So yeah, I don't know. It's kind of a weird tangent there I got off on. But yeah, even if you're not enjoying them, that's okay with me. Today is all about pull. So we're doing some pull downs. We're doing some one-arm rows. We're doing upright rows. We're doing some curls. So it's gonna be one big like awesome bro day to end the week on a Saturday. Got some espresso, ate some oranges, had some creatine. We're gonna get after it. It's 94 degrees outside. It's hot here in the gym, but I don't care. We are gonna make this training session count, make it a highlight of the day. I don't know if I really have any insights to share with you right now other than a ritual like espresso, oranges, and creatine before you work out, I think is a really important thing. Everyone has their own ritual. Maybe it's like changing out of your work clothes into your gym clothes or whatever it may be for you, or maybe you don't have one, you need to create one. But a ritual, kind of a routine that you do to signify the fact that you're going to train. It's like a way to tell your subconscious mind that, hey, it's time to get stimulated, it's time to get excited, it's time to get prepared to get after it. And it may seem silly, but it's kind of the same idea with a bedtime routine. It's just a way to mentally prepare yourself and prepare that subconscious part of you to kind of wake up, stimulate the nervous system, get out of rest and digest mode and get into flight or fight mode and go to work. I think training sessions are typically much more productive when you have that little bit of segue there. Instead of just trying to go from like cold to hot, you kind of go from like cold to warm to hot. And that seems to make the degree of hotness much higher, so to speak, using my weird metaphor here. All right, enough talking, more training. judge me because of how much I sweat, because I sweat a lot. I feel like I sweat more than the average person would in 94-degree weather. But maybe that everybody just sweats this much when it's this hot outside. Great workout, awesome workout. Best part of the workout was 4 sets of lat pull down. 2 sets of just kind of regular grip, pronated, and then 2 sets of close grip, neutral, like hands neutral, but real close together. And that's mainly because I really don't have I need like a legit lat pull down bar so that I can do like wide grip, normal grip, close grip. And today I wanted to do normal grip and close grip, but it felt stupid to go from like kind of somewhere in between normal and close to then go even closer. So that's why I went with that's the only other cable attachment I had. So just a different grip, change it up. But 4 sets total of lat pull downs. That was a lot of fun. The spider curls, which is what Renaissance periodization calls the exercise where you lay on your chest and then you do curls on incline bench. I usually just call it like a chest supported dumbbell curl, but they call it a spider curl. So I guess to each his own. But I love that exercise. That was a lot of fun. Great note to end the training week on. I think that's good that it ends on a back day, because I always feel like ending on a leg day is how most people train. They usually do like chest at the beginning or some kind of like push exercise at the beginning of their week, and then they typically signal the end of their week with legs. And legs just suck so much, and it sucks to do that at the end of a week. To me, it makes no sense to train legs on a Friday or Saturday or Sunday, because those are supposed to be fun days, you know? Why not train legs on like a Thursday, which to me seems a lot more appropriate. Not that what day of the week you train things really matters, but it does make for a fun Saturday to do back. The only critique I still have of the program is the volume starts off pretty low, but I think the idea there is to basically give you a week at a low volume, and then you rank each workout, or you rate each set that you do, and then the number you use to rank the workout changes the volume you have for the following week. So if you rank the workouts, or you rank each set as being really great, or relatively successful and easy, easy being relative, then it quickly picks up the volume in the coming 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th week. That's just part of the template, part of the program, part of what you pay for getting a program from RP. Anyways, why don't I throw a couple tips at you when it comes to lat pull downs? That's kind of something I've been thinking about a lot, because it's an exercise I haven't been able to do for quite a long time, because I haven't had a pulley system and I just got one. But I love lat pull downs. They're great for building your lats, great for building a wide muscular back. I think the 2 things though that people mess up on them is they don't give a little bit of extension in their upper body and their upper back when they finish. So you shouldn't just kind of stay hunched over when you're doing a lat pull down, and your shoulders shouldn't roll forward. You should get extended, lift your chest up, get a little bit of arch at that bottom position. And then the second thing is when you take your lat pull down to the in position, your hands should go all the way up, and you should get a big stretch in your lats. That's full range of motion, and you're gonna feel it a lot more in your lats if you do those 2 things. Because some people say like, how do I target my lats, lat pull downs? I don't feel them in my lats. I just feel them in my biceps or my arms. If you do those 2 things, I think you'll experience why they call it a lat pull down. All right, that's all I got today, guys. Good training session, got it in. I hope your guys' week ended on a good note. Tomorrow is gonna be an active rest day for me, and we will start again on week 2. See how it goes. I have a feeling week 2, week 3, week 4, I'm just gonna kick my butt here in a hurry. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one.